Power grids around the world are evolving. They must transmit more power across longer distances while improving safety, reliability, and environmental impact. Ultra-high voltage transmission is essential to making this possible. At the center of these networks are transformers. And today, power transformers are evolving to meet new demands, with higher voltage capabilities and the use of alternative fluids that support safer and more sustainable operation. But even the most advanced transformer depends on one critical connection to the grid, the transformer bushing. At ultra-high voltage, this connection between the transformer and the grid must deliver the same standards of safety, reliability, and sustainability as the transformer itself. Because powerful networks deserve powerful connections. Hitachi Energy introduces AirRIP Flex AF 800 kV, a dry-type transformer bushing designed for up to 800 kV transformer applications using alternative fluids. Built on Hitachi Energy's proven AirRIP bushing technology and decades of transformer bushing expertise, AirRIP Flex AF 800 kV brings trusted dry-type performance to ultra-high voltage transformers designed for alternative fluids. With no oil and no SF6, it delivers maintenance-free operation, enhanced safety, and lower environmental impact. Hitachi Energy's QuickConnect technology enables faster installation and simplified replacement. AirRIP Flex AF 800 kV has already proven its performance through successful testing on Hitachi Energy's 765 kV alternative fluid transformer, validating reliable system-level operation under real ultra-high voltage conditions. AirRIP Flex AF 800 kV helps enable the next generation of ultra-high voltage power transmission in combination with alternative fluids. AirRIP Flex AF 800 kV, advancing ultra-high voltage sustainably and safely. Because powerful networks deserve powerful connections.